Everyone knows about the power of silence, but most people don't know how to use silence to shift power in your favor. There are three circumstances where silence can be used most efficiently: when someone is subtly accusing you of something, when you want to get someone else to speak, and when you want to insult someone. Society teaches people to dance around confrontation, which means most accusations are buried under hypotheticals and observations. For example, if someone thinks you lied, a typical response would be, "It's kind of weird that you said that earlier," rather than directly saying, "You lied to me? Why?" The most effective way to deal with this observational accusation is a quiet silence. This dismantles the person accusing you by making their comment seem out of place. Since the confrontation was indirect instead of direct, it creates the effect of them making their confrontation too subtle, leaving them responsible for an awkward silence. There is a special weight placed on the person who speaks last, and the longer you're silent, the more out of place their comment will seem.